Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both the headphones and the source so you can hear real changes. Update firmware, disable ANC, and set headphone volume near 70% with source output reduced for headroom. This prevents clipping when you boost bass. Once done, open the EQ in your phone or DAW and apply a focused boost between 60 and 120 Hz by 3 to 6 decibels, and use a gentle shelf near 250 Hz to control warmth without muddiness. Now you refine the bass so it's both musical and controlled. Use a bell filter around 40 to 60 Hz with a moderate Q of about 0. 8 to 1. 2 to add punch without bloat. Make sure to high-pass anything below 30 Hz. That removes inaudible rumble, which wastes dynamic range. Then, if available, add subtle harmonic saturation or a bass enhancer set to 1 to 3 decibels to create perceived low end without reckless boosting. This makes bass feel bigger on these. Finish by validating your decisions with reference tracks and a /B comparisons so you know the change is musical. Match perceived loudness before comparing, then tweak small 2 to 3 decibel moves. If you hear distortion or driver strain, immediately back off boosts and add a limiter to cap peaks around +3 dB. This protects the cans. If the bass feels thin, check the ear seal and lower 250 to 500 Hz overlap. A poor seal often kills perceived low end, so reseat the pad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.